Hello everyone. So this is my first attempt at Leon's Lockpad's BTK lock, which for me stands for Bind, Torture, Kill. There was a serial killer that was known as a BTK killer around here, and that's what he would do. He would capture his victims and bind them and torture them and kill them over a period of years, and he turned out to be, I believe, a mailman. They finally got him. I've got this in the vise, but I don't want to tighten it up too much. Keep the movement from happening. I've tried a couple of times picking it in hand, and also this keyway. Let me show you. It's huge. This is a 50 thousandths, and you could almost stick another 50 thousandths in there. But I'm going to try it anyway. Hopefully I won't have to release tension too much. I'm just going all the way to the back of the lock. I'm pushing up on it. I'm using medium tension, which is probably too much for this lock, but reset it. Every one of the locks that he sent to me were not that easy. The only thing I've opened so far is that black spur. Everything else is very paracentric keyways and not easy. Even a brass little padlock that he gave me, I haven't opened that sucker yet, other than I did bypass it open, but I haven't picked it open. And this here, earlier I was messing around with it and I was able to get a turn on the core. I don't remember which pin I hit to do that. And I have yet, this is the first time I'm putting it in a vise. I was hoping it would give me some more feedback. A lot of crunching sounds. I'm at the back of the lock at pin 6. And as you can see, I don't have it in there real tight on the vise. I don't want to damage the lock, so I got it in a rag here, and bunch of crunchiness. Well, see, normally I don't do challenge locks, mainly because I don't know that many people, but this is the first challenge lock. Usually I go against what's commercially available, the different locks that you would run into, because I'm not super great at single pin picking so far. I mean, I can get by. And challenge locks pretty much always require single pin picking. Which kind of reminds me, you know what? Wouldn't it be funny? Let me just see. I'll go back to my old style. Let me see if I can Bogota him open. An open is an open, however you get it. And if I can get this guy open with a Bogota, that would be funny. This is a Peterson. Sometimes you can get a false set and then go from there. Oh, I got a bit of a false set there. Oh, look at that. Does that count, Leon? Does that count? Bogotaing it open? Because I just did it. Right? I was having a hard time single pin picking that puppy, but I can Bogota it open, so if that is legitimate, then I got your lock open. I can try a single pin picket later on, but there you go. It didn't survive a Bogota attack, which, you know, I haven't been doing very much Bogotaing because I've been trying to learn single pin picking. But if this counts, let me know. But I did pick it open. A Bogota is a pick, and I got into that pretty quick with a Bogota. So there you go. I don't know if you can consider that cheating or unfair or whatever. I haven't even unmummified the key yet, because I'm still going to try to single pin pick it some more, but I just wanted to see if I could get into it with a Bogota, and sure enough, there we go. So I'll put it up on YouTube, and we'll see what Leon has to say about that, if that's considered legitimate. But an open is an open, is the way I look at it.